What's up, guys? Got another little tool haul here. We went to Menards. Show you what I got. I got two 18-inch magnetic tool holders. Look pretty good. They were cheap. I got socket organizers, because I'm still trying to figure out the best way to lay in my box. There's everything it comes with. What's the part number? Right there. Tool shop. They had a lot of tool shop stuff. Haven't really heard of them. I got some more organizers, these little things. 1/4-inch socket holders, 3/8-inch socket holder organizer. I got two of each. I'm gonna try them. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how to get everything in my box. Got a little magnetic tool holder here. Part number. So we'll see how all that goes. I did not know that they sold Nippics. We've never been in a Menards. They had a full line there, the Cobras, the Alligators, big and small. I got the needle nose because look how smooth. You can just smooth. They already feel broke in. They're brand new. They were $30, but good needle nose, you can't beat it. I got some little tool shop flush cutter. They were like $2. $2. I'll give them a try. One of these, I've had these at work. I lost one of the bits. I love them. $1. Got a center punch. An automatic center punch for drilling holes. And that was it. Oh, got the Plano big awesome box, made in USA. So got the two latches, made in USA. Good looking box. All in all this, $105. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment. See you guys later. Peace.